Looking for the perfect holiday treat? Try cranberry curd. Place fresh or frozen cranberries in a saucepan. Add a little water, the juice of 1 orange, and the zest of 1 orange. Add a little sugar to create that perfect balance between tart and sweet. Cook until the cranberries begin to pop, remove from the heat, blend, and run through a fine sieve. What remains is a beautiful red, glossy liquid. Discard anything that remains in the sieve, return the liquid to the heat, and add 6 room temperature egg yolks. Be sure to temper the egg yolks with a little bit of hot liquid before adding it to the pan. Continue to cook over medium heat until your mixture thickens. The perfect test is your curd is fully cooked if it coats the back of a wooden spoon. As a final step, add a few tablespoons of unsalted butter to give your curd a glossy finish. Place a piece of saran wrap on the surface of your curd until cooled and ready to use. The smooth, creamy texture and bright, tangy flavors of this cranberry curd pair perfectly with the crispy, sweet meringue nests, a stunning dessert for your holiday table. Happy baking!